The dream. A young business owner proudly builds his website. Sales rise, customers trust him, and success begins. His digital dream comes alive. The morning shock. He logs in to check sales, but sees error 404. The website is gone. Confusion turns to fear. Panic everywhere, calls flood in. Customers can't order, emails fail. The heart of his business stops beating. Financial loss. Every second offline means lost money. Ads run but no conversions. The business starts bleeding silently. Broken trust. It's not just revenue, it's reputation. Years of hard work vanish overnight. He feels helpless and scared. Cybercrime reality. Hackers don't care if you're big or small. One weak link is enough. Anyone can be the next target. Silence. No calls, no orders, no hope. He stares at the blank screen, wondering how everything ended so fast. A ray of hope. A friend says, contact Tanmay S. Dikshit, Cyber Sanskar. He searches online and finds real stories of success. The first call. Tanmay sir listens patiently and says, don't worry, we'll bring it back. Hope slowly returns. The scan begins. At the Cyber Sanskar Center of Excellence, students run a deep scan using the website security tool. Finding the cause. Weak passwords, old plugins, open entries. Each issue is listed clearly. Knowledge replaces fear. The fix. Students repair code, secure data, enable SSL. Tanmay guides every step with calm confidence. The comeback. Website live. Cheers fill the lab. The owner smiles through tears. His dream returns. The realization. He learns cybersecurity isn't costly. It's necessary for survival and trust. The message. Your website is your digital shop. Protect it before hackers do. Security means responsibility. The opportunity. Cybercrime is rising fast. The world needs protectors like you. Cyber Sanskar can make you one. Learn, serve, earn under Tanmay S. Dikshit. Learn website security, serve businesses, and earn with pride. Secure India. Secure your future.